Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The probability of the students from a certain grade 10 class to pass the exam in math is 4 by 9 and for the subject English it's 7 by 9. If none of the students fail both subjects and there are 4 students that pass both subjects, how many students pass mathematics subject? Now let X be the total students who take exam. Now it is given that 4 students pass both subjects. That means that probability of students passing both subjects can be represented by 4 by x. Let's give this equation 1 and we'll use it later. Now let's evaluate given situation. Now it's given that probability of students passing mathematics is 4 by 9. That means that if there were 9 students, 9 total students, if there were 9 students, 4 of them will pass math. That means that 9 minus 4 equal to 5 will fail math. Now that, and since it is given that none of the students fail both subjects, so the students who have failed math, these 5 students will pass English. Similarly, for English, we can say that probability of passing is given by 7 by 9. So if there were 9 students, this probability means that if there were 9 students, 7 will pass English. And using this diagram, we can say that 9 minus 7 equal to 2 will fail English. That means that these two will pass math. Now let's say, now again, since no students have failed both subjects, we can say that 5 plus 2 equal to 7 students passed single subject out of 9. 7 students have passed single subject. That means that if these were total 9 students, then 7 students have passed single subject. That means that 9 minus 7 equal to 2 students pass both subjects. Therefore, probability of students who pass both subjects is given by 2 out of 9. This is equation 2. Now let's revisit our equation. This here we had found out that probability of students passing both subjects is 4 by x in numbers. So we can equate these two. Equating 1 and 2, we get 4 by x equal to 2 by 9. Therefore, we get x equal to 9 into 4 by 2, which is equal to 18 total students. Now we are asked Number of students who passed in mathematics subjects. Mathematics subject. So that is the number of students who fail in English subject. Now we are asked number of students who pass mathematics subject. Now the probability is 4 by 9. So probability of passing math is 4 by 9. Therefore, number of students who pass math can be calculated by 4 by 9 into total number of students, that is equal to 8. Pass math. So let's see what are the options. Yes, answer is option A, 8.